In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a content creator prompt using Chatgpt in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, getting your prompts right can make a huge difference in the quality and relevance of your content. Let's dive in. First things first, we need to open Chatgpt. If you're unfamiliar with Chatgpt, it's an AI language model developed by OpenAI that helps generate text-based content in a conversational manner. Once you've accessed it online, you're ready to embark on creating your personalized prompt. As soon as you have Chatgpt open, the next step is to create a new chat. This allows you to start fresh and have a clean slate to work with. By starting a new conversation, you ensure that the AI's responses are tailored to your current objectives without any lingering data from previous interactions. Now that you're set up, take a moment to decide exactly what you want Chatgpt to do for you. This might be writing an article, scripting a video, or generating ideas for a blog post. Having a clear goal in mind will make your interactions more effective and yield better results. Think about the outcome you desire and how Chatgpt can assist in achieving it. The next crucial step is to consider the specific content type you're aiming to create. Are you writing a detailed article, a snappy social media post, or an informative YouTube video script? Understanding the format will help guide the AI in providing content that matches your needs. Making your prompt audience specific is also key. Consider who your audience is, their interests, age group, and preferences. Tailoring your prompts to meet the needs and expectations of your audience will ensure that the content resonates with them, ultimately making it more engaging and effective. Following this, specify the tone and style you want the content to have. Do you envision a formal tone, or is a more casual and conversational style what you're after? Perhaps you're looking for something humorous or motivational. Clearly defining the tone and style will help Chatgpt deliver responses that fit your vision and brand. Finally, it's important to set clear length or structure guidelines for the content. Whether you need a concise paragraph, a multi-section article, or a list of bullet points, providing guidelines on length and format will ensure that the content fits well within your project specifications. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to crafting effective and engaging prompts using Chatgpt. With practice and experimentation, you will finally hone your skills to leverage AI in your content creation process. Happy prompting, and thank you for watching.